Hey everybody, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use Samsung Gear VR with any phone. So this one is really simple. What you need to do is first of all head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm on a web, so you can simply head over to any Android phone or even iOS. You can search in there for Home Theater VR, and this is the app that you are going to be using. You can see the images, how they look. You can view in 360 mode, enjoy your 360 panoramic views of different type of games, videos, and cinematic shots, and enjoy in full features. So basically this is going to be the app. Make sure to note it down or write it somewhere so you do not forget, because this is going to be allowing you to use Samsung Gear VR with any phone in 2026. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.